Also, after bullet points, it comes the turn for description. So for description, Amazon allows you to use 2000 characters for your product description. And Amazon also has the following requirements: that you should not be having providing any information about awards or any information about warranty in the description, and no promotions like special offers and hot offers or something like that. Do not include merchant specific or offer specific details, prices or shipping, and special HTML formatting is not allowed. Before it was allowed, and Amazon used to recommend and advise that we should be using HTML language, but for now HTML language is not applicable. Amazon has completely took it out of their system. So we will just put a description as a paragraph. And how to format your Amazon? So for that you can use EBC content, right? Enhanced brand content, but this option is just allowed for the brand registered sellers. So we'll be discussing about EBC as well.